Nature has given us a precious gift of hands, with which we can hold things, lift and do many tasks easily. Inspired by these hands, humans have created robotic hands, which help in working in places where it is difficult or dangerous to reach. It is easy to make robotic hands on Earth because we can use big and heavy motors and use electricity as per the requirement. But in space, robotic hands should be light and strong, which use less electricity, because the only source of electricity in space is the satellite's battery. Robotic hands have a very special job in space. ISRO has built 2 robotic hands in collaboration with the private sector, which will be sent into space along with satellites. These hands will repair and revive satellites which have lost functionality, and this will increase satellites' life and they will be able to serve us for a longer time. In the future, ISRO will build a large Indian space station by adding small parts to robotic hands. The International Space Station (ISS) also uses a robotic arm called the Canadarm, built by Canada. This robotic arm connects spacecraft to the International Space Station, maintains the station, and assists astronauts with new technologies in robotics. These mechanical arms are transforming space missions, protecting humans from danger and helping repair satellites and explore deep space. These new technologies are changing the future of space. And with organizations like ISRO, we are moving towards the next era of space engineering.